let me show you how to do this Joker makeup. To start off, we're going to prime our face and we're also going to prime for our eyeshadow. And then while I'm waiting for that to dry, we're going to put on a few fake tattoos on our neck and stuff. So I'm just going to place another tattoo right on my neck to kind of really fill it up and give it that Joker look. So just like that, take a wet cloth and hold it there until you think it's ready to come off. And lovely. And if you're wondering how I did the hand, it is a fake tattoo. And when I put it on, I didn't think that it was going to fit my hand, but actually I have a pretty big hand, so it fit. So I didn't record it. And I think you get the point, but I'm going to keep adding fake tattoos until I feel like it's good. All right, our tattoos are on, and I'm going to go put on some green contacts. All right, our contacts are in, and now I'm going to go in with my Mehron Cream Blend Stick in the shade white, obviously. This is officially my first time using this, so I'm quite excited. I love the way it feels on my skin. Okay, that's ridiculous. And I'm not going to go too crazy either, because like I don't know how much coverage I completely want for this look. I'm going to pull up my wig just a smidgen so I can like accurately get the makeup up there. Just going to use a brush and spread it all around and see about the coverage that we get, because I do want it to be like kind of see-through-ish and almost like worn down, like after a hard day's fight. This stuff literally blends like a dream. I have been missing out not having Mehron products in my life sooner, is all I'm gonna say. And now I'm just gonna set this with some white eyeshadow. All right, so we're gonna go like a little crazy on the lips and overline. And we want it to look like a smile. Okay, lovely. It's not supposed to be perfect either. Remember that. Isn't that crazy and scary? Brows are going to be very exaggerated today, so we're going to go in with like a pure black here, and we are going to make them look like kind of like a little wonky like this a little bit. So I'm going to basically put my eyebrow like this and really pull up right there and bring it down. This is supposed to be harsh makeup. Keep this in mind. Bring it down as well, but don't fill it in as much. That way it really like highlights how up it went. So we're going to do a really messy smoky eye that fades out to like a bit of a blue. So what we're going to do is put the fade out of the blue and then put the dark. So basically this beautiful blue right here, we want to fade it out into that. And it's supposed to be messy. This is a very messy look. Bring that blue down your nose a little bit too. We're going to use that to slightly contour. And make sure to put a little bit underneath as well. And on one eye, I'd even bring it down. Lovely. This is looking good so far. So we're going to smoke it out with this like gray, and it's literally called Bat, so I think that's kind of cool myself. So I'm going to dip it in there and then go right here. Because you want it to be a little bit rough, just like the Joker. And then a little bit underneath. Now we're going to take a slimmer brush and go in with this black and kind of go right around the eyes. Like, I'll show you. It's kind of like right along the eye line. And maybe don't touch your face like I did, because now I got to add a little bit more white there. Oh, I do think we're going to do a red nose, and it's either I'm going to love it or regret it. But what can you do? I kind of love it. I think it's giving. Now some black liner. So the makeup is almost done. I'm thinking we should do a squirt of like fake blood. Obviously my first time using it. I'm a little nervous. I'll probably squirt it on my hand first. Oh, okay. Spray this into the garbage can, see how it sprays, and then I'm going to put it on my face. Okay. Okay, let's do this. So very nervous. Kind of want it more over here. That was too much. I should have put it further away, but I guess this is what we're working with now. Yay. All right, I'm gonna put on some lashes and fix this all up, and I will show you the final look. And this is the final look. What do we think? What do you think about the fit? Everything? Oh, what do you guys think? I really like it. Took quite a bit of time. The tattoos do not like to stick to the Mayron paint, so that's a thing. But yeah, this is the first Halloween look of this year. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!